Good morning, everybody. This is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Stewart. This morning we're going to do a walkthrough video on a 2025 Aviara 32. We'll start up front. You can see the expansive seating up front. You have speakers here, phone chargers, plenty of cup holders and grab rails. You also have your anchor locker up here that hides your anchor windlass. You have plenty of good seating, port and starboard, with comfortable backrest. And now we're going to walk up and take a look at the helm. Welcome back, everybody. This is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Stewart. Now we are at the helm of the Aviara 32. As you see, you've got all digital dash, digital switching, you have an array of Simrad electronics with your digital throttle and shift and your joystick. You also have a little cubby hole area over here. You have fold-up bolsters for your seating. And just to the port of the helm, you're going to have your expansive head area. You have some storage back there as well. Plenty of room in this area. You also on this boat have a tilt steering wheel. Now we're going to walk back to the cockpit area. And now we're in the Aviara 32 cockpit area. As you see, you have a slide out cooler. It comes with this boat, a teak table that's removable and stored. You have more cup holders, great seating here with storage underneath the seats. You also, to starboard side, have a Kenyan grill. You have even more storage underneath the grill. And again, cup holders everywhere. Looking aft, you have seats that fold up and down for comfort. And you have your 300 Mercury Verado power source. And 2 swim platforms off the back with your dive ladder. If you'd like to see this boat, stop by Stewart MarineMax. Again, this is Brad Langdon. We look forward to seeing you.